Alrighty guys, so you guys got a Sawzall and you want to know how to change the blade or put a new blade in or take the old one out. Real simple. First thing, if it's battery powered, take your battery off. That way it doesn't accidentally go off on you while you're changing the blade. Next thing you want to do is you're going to get your blade. If you're putting one in. There's a blue button here. Pull it all the way open. Now you got to hold it there, because that's what allows you to put the blade in. Then you're just going to slide that blade right under that hole, that butt end of it, right under that hole. Now, when you're handling your blade, handle it from the back side, that way the teeth are away from you. Okay? You don't want your fingers near them teeth. Or you can wear gloves and be smart about it, but I am not smart. Push it down in, release your button. Now you can put your battery on, and of course I got my safety on because Hart was nice enough to put a safety on these. Turn your safety off, and you're ready to go. As far as for taking the blade off though, if you need to take it off for safety reasons, I always take mine off at the end of my shift, whenever I'm done using it. Again, take your battery off, pull that out, pop it right out. Now, if you have an older model that has the Allen wrench things and everything else, time to upgrade. If you got a corded model, maybe time to upgrade. I mean, same thing though. You're going to unplug it before you put a blade in. Instead of taking the battery off, if it's corded, just unplug it. But I've had corded models, and I always run the risk of cutting into that cord. Battery powered, no cord to cut into. I can lose control of this. Just gotta watch out for my legs, or my arms, or my waist. I don't have to worry about the cord though. But again, Hart has that nice little safety feature on there. Turn that safety off, you can go. Push it back over, turn that safety on. So we'll put a link for this one down below in the description. Or actually, we'll do it as a pinned comment. That way, if you want to check these guys out, Hart does make some wonderful, wonderful tools. Bye.